So why did I spend $250 on a pair of sweatpants? I was having this conversation with my sister the other day, actually. I was trying to help her justify a purchase. And my point was that I would much rather spend $250 on something that is high quality, that's good design, something that I really like, you know, something that's gonna wear really well over time, rather than $25 on something cheaply made and mediocre and is going to fall apart within weeks, months, or days. I think the bigger question here is why now, especially with something I never really wanted to wear in the first place. That I'm having with like a lot of this burnout and why I'm now doing this sort of rediscovery to finding that love for style and styling again is I think sometimes I hold on too tightly to the outcome of something, trying to hold on so tight to the outcome of this channel and therefore holding on so tight to the outcome of my outfits that I was styling for this channel, that it then sort of trickled into my everyday life as well, into my everyday outfits. And then I sort of lose sight of what the true meaning of fashion and style is, which is, you know, just having fun, experimenting, again, like finding your curiosity. Time I sort of had this idea of like, I am not wearing sweatpants as an outfit, as like a fashion piece. Sweatpants are meant for lounging, you know, getting cozy or working out. That was sort of like the extent of it. You know, I do have to give myself a little bit of credit or a bit of grace, I guess, because I kind of been hard on myself, you know, recently. I have been sort of getting outside of my comfort zone a little bit more and letting go a little bit more. I even think about like last year I said, okay, I'm gonna like try bringing in some more feminine pieces just to like experiment. I had been kind of introduced to this idea that like, oh, sweatpants can be elevated and they sort of present like a fun juxtaposition to a lot of my sophisticated classic pieces. So I think sweatpants is like the perfect analogy for this. Like the sweatpants are the perfect analogy for this new journey that I'm on, this new journey of like self-discovery of just like, hey, why not? Why not style some sweatpants? They're comfortable. These specific ones that I have are like super cool silhouette. So, sweatpants. Who knew?